Okay guys, this is Gigi from Juki Junkies and Gigi's Fabric Shop in Brandon, Florida, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change out your stitch plate, your regular stitch plate, and placing a thick plate. So the first thing you want to do is you want to obviously unscrew both screws and you're going to bring it out. Now I've already done it because I wanted to make sure I did it right before I videoed this. But so once you take it out, the first thing you're going to do is, this is what your stitch plate is going to look like, right? And it's going to look like this. And what you're going to do is this screw right here, this one right here, you're going to loosen it up slightly, but not all the way because you don't want this to come apart, okay? Once you loosen that up, then you're just going to lift this side up and slide this and take it apart, okay? So now you have your stitch plate that you've removed and you're going to grab the other one and put it in. So we're going to pretend I'm grabbing another one. And if you can see how this now is loose. If you try to do this without unscrewing it, it's going to be too hard, okay? So the idea is to match up this side and this side, but keeping in mind that when you do this side, this right here has to go under this plate. So I'm going to keep this straight, holding it with my finger. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to, now I didn't say it was easy, but it's very doable, okay? You're going to push this plate a little bit so that that prong, see how I lifted it up and then I slid it in there, okay? But it feels like it did, but it didn't, so I have to lift it up a little bit and make sure that little, right there, see how that just came in right there? That's the first thing you want to do. Once that's in, you're just going to adjust this here, and then you're going to line this up, and you're done. Now, what you have to do now is make sure this is all lined up. And I'm sorry, but I don't have anyone to video me here today. And you're going to tighten this back up. Hopefully I'm doing righty-tighty here. And that's it. Now you have your thick plate all ready to be, you know what, take advantage and clean out your machine, okay? Because there's always little bunny rabbits in there. And be careful with the needle. Put it back in. Line things back up, and when this pops up you want to hold it down, and I'll show you the trick that I do. See, I do that. I don't usually use the screwdriver when I initially start. I'm still holding this down, and there you go. I hope that works for all of you guys. If you need a thick plate because you are sewing with thicker fabric, we highly recommend that you get one, because you will avoid this right here. This is the regular plate, and if you see right there, let me focus right there, you will see how you get burrs, and you really don't want that. Even us here at the shop, we have little burrs, so I love the optional thick plate. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm here for you.